Greetings, Earthlings! Are you tired of being an internet wallflower while all the cool kids are making it big on YouTube? Fear not, my digital companions. I am here to invite you to join our Creating a Successful YouTube Channel for Business Owners lesson plan series. You'll learn how to optimize your channel, create killer content, and even monetize your videos like a boss. But wait, there's more. As a special bonus, you'll get footage of your very own custom logo animation. It's like having your own personal hype man to promote your channel and make you look like a superstar. So if you're ready to go from zero to hero on YouTube, sign up now and let's get to work. Let's show the world what you're made of. Click the button to get started.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.